Welcome back. In the previous section, we explored the lofty ambitions and immense risks of the dream chasers. Now, let's turn our attention to more down-to-earth companies. As the saying goes, in a gold rush, the biggest moneymakers aren't the ones digging for gold, but those selling shovels and jeans. The same is true in today's space economy. Let's first take a look at one of the hottest space builders in the market, Rocket Lab, ticker RKLB, the caterpillar of space. If SpaceX is the space giant of this era, then Rocket Lab is the David with the greatest potential to challenge it. The company provides the core infrastructure of the space economy, rocket launch services, and satellite manufacturing. From a business perspective, Rocket Lab is a vertically integrated space company with two main business segments. The first is launch services. Its Electron small rocket is currently one of the most reliable and frequently used commercial launch vehicles in the world, after SpaceX, specifically designed to deliver small satellites into orbit. The second segment, and currently experiencing faster growth, is the space systems business, which includes the design and manufacture of core components such as satellites, solar panels, and flight control software. Rocket Lab's core competitiveness lies in its proven, reliable launch capability. It has successfully completed 68 launch missions and boasts a substantial backlog of customer orders. Its biggest future growth catalyst is a medium-sized, reusable rocket called Neutron. Once this rocket successfully completes its maiden flight in the second half of 2025, it will be able to launch even larger satellites, directly competing with SpaceX's Falcon 9 and expanding the company's potential market size tenfold. From a financial and valuation perspective, Rocket Lab's growth momentum is very strong. In the first quarter of 2025, the company's revenue reached $122.6 million, a year-on-year increase of 32%. With a backlog of over $1 billion in contracts, the company has strong future revenue visibility. However, due to the substantial R&D investment in the Neutron rocket, the company is currently operating at a loss and faces near-term profitability challenges, with analysts predicting it may take until 2027. This factor contributes to its extremely high valuation. Its current market capitalization fluctuates between $18 billion and $23 billion, with a price-to-sales ratio of approximately 40. This is a typical growth stock valuation, and the market has fully priced in Neutron's tremendous success. From a risk and safety margin perspective, the risk level is medium to high. The biggest risk is the success of Neutron's rocket development and maiden flight. Any delay or failure would severely impact the stock price. Furthermore, the high valuation itself is a risk, requiring the company to maintain extremely high growth rates for the next few years. Its safety margin comes from its mature Electron rocket business and space systems division. These businesses provide stable cash flow, but are far from sufficient to support its current market capitalization of tens of billions, so there is no stable safety margin. Next, let's look at two interstellar data mining companies, Planet Labs, stock symbol PL, and SPIR Global, stock symbol SPIR. If Rocket Lab is a road builder, then Planet Labs and SPIR Global are using these roads to mine space. What they mine is not gold or silver, but something even more valuable than gold and silver: data. Planet Labs operates the world's largest Earth observation satellite constellation. Its core product provides a daily snapshot of Earth's land surface. Imagine having an up-to-date, high-resolution map covering the entire globe every day. This would be of immense value to sectors such as agriculture, monitoring crop growth, defense, tracking geopolitical dynamics, insurance, assessing disaster losses, and environmental monitoring. It is essentially a data-as-a-service company. Its competitive advantage lies in this unique, daily data. While competitors may offer higher-resolution imagery, they cannot offer daily global updates. This temporal advantage makes Planet's data irreplaceable in many application scenarios. Furthermore, Planet is experiencing steady growth. Full-year revenue for fiscal year 2025 was $244 million, an 11% year-over-year increase. A key milestone was achieving positive free cash flow for the first time in the first quarter of fiscal year 2025. This represents a significant inflection point, signifying the company's business model is becoming self-sustaining. With a market capitalization of approximately $1.2 billion, while still operating at a loss, these losses are narrowing, and with a backlog exceeding $500 million, Planet boasts high future revenue certainty. Compared to the previous company, this one has a medium-low risk rating. Its business model is proven, with risks primarily arising from market competition and sales cycle uncertainty. Its safety margins stem from its extensive government and commercial contracts and unique daily global datasets. Let's consider another company, SPIR Global, which provides eyes in the sky for weather, ships, and aircraft. Like Planet, SPIR Global is also a data-as-a-service company. However, instead of collecting imagery, it uses radio frequency, RF, signals to track ships, aircraft, and weather conditions worldwide. It utilizes extremely low-cost CubeSat technology. SPIR's financial situation is improving. The company recently sold its maritime business, successfully paying off all debt and has over $130 million in cash, resulting in a very healthy balance sheet. The company projects revenue of $85 million to $95 million in 2025 and is expected to achieve positive operating cash flow in the second half of the year. With a market capitalization of only approximately $350 million, it is the smallest of the companies discussed today. Because its path to profitability is longer than Planet's, its risk rating is assigned a medium rating, with analysts estimating profitability after 2026. Its margin of safety stems from its asset-light operating model and healthy financial position after debt reduction. Rocket Lab, the builder, and Planet and SPIR, the data miners, offer distinct investment options from the dream chasers. Rocket Lab is a bold gamble on scale and execution, betting on becoming the next SpaceX. Planet and SPIR, on the other hand, are more stable growth companies that have found business models for monetizing space data and are transitioning from investment to profit. So, besides these emerging players, are there any more mature and established veterans in the space economy? In this final section, we will conduct an in-depth analysis of two industry veterans and provide you with our final investment strategy guide. Okay, that's all for now. We'll continue next time.